Doss, inside slant. Can Gronkowski get to the outside? Good, identifying the Mike or middle linebacker. Brady flips it again to the outside. Kareem sends it at the goal line. To roll it in. KJ Wright.
Wait.
For the score.
Now what's amazing is that the Patriots knew coming into this game that if KJ Wright